Here, raw steel begins its journey toward becoming everyday flatware.
Now this flat sheet carries the potential to become 1,000 spoons. Across the yard, exact alloy grades determine every spoon's quality.
1810 confirmed, mark it for stamping.
Beneath the surface, a simple scan confirms the steel's exact composition.
Within minutes, this raw steel becomes one organized production batch.
Under bright skylights, this batch nears its first transformation.
Confirmed, this batch begins its journey into the stamping hall. Across this display, an entire production promise begins its countdown.
Beyond these doors, raw steel meets the machines of transformation. Deep within this hall, flat steel prepares to gain its first shape. Just ahead, this coil begins unwinding toward its first transformation. In this feed, precise timing ensures perfect alignment every cycle.
Press engaged, blanking now. In this chamber of control, every stroke begins with careful timing.
Soon, flat steel becomes dozens of rough, spoon-shaped outlines.
Overhead, careful monitoring ensures every blank cuts precisely.
Within seconds, dozens of flat outlines await their next transformation.
Beyond these doors, flat blanks begin gaining their spoon shape.
Batch logged, ready for forming.
Further inside, every blank batch is classified before shaping begins.
Minutes later, these flat blanks begin their final approach to shaping. Just ahead, curved dies wait to give these blanks their bowl shape. Here, precision manufacturing creates a product found in every home. Now, every worker entering carries responsibility for what's ahead.
Morning. Inside, quality begins long before any spoon reaches a dinner table.
Beneath every certificate lies years of testing and strict standards. At this stage, clean handling becomes essential before shaping begins.
Under this care, workers prepare for one of metalworking's precise jobs.
Across the floor, the true shaping of stainless steel spoons now begins. Deep within this hall, dozens of stages await each flat blank.
Line 1, starting now.
Within seconds, the entire line responds to a single confirmation.
Beyond the glass, this flat blank is about to gain its bowl shape.
Here, a single powerful stroke gives the blank its signature curve. Now, a flat piece of steel finally resembles a recognizable spoon. Beneath careful trimming, rough edges become smooth and refined. Across the table, a final human check confirms the blank's quality.
Just ahead, the handle gains the shape that will fit a hand comfortably.
Dimensions confirmed, approved. Under this check, even the slightest inconsistency would stop the batch.
Now, gentle tumbling smooths every rough edge left from forming.
Beneath this tumbling, sharp edges finally become fully rounded.
Deburring complete, edges smooth.
Beyond the glass, rough blanks have become recognizable spoons.
Now, careful polishing reveals the steel's hidden mirror finish.
Moments later, this second pass achieves a deep, brilliant shine.
Finish confirmed. Mirror bright.
Inside this check, a perfect reflection confirms the polish is complete.
Beneath this bath, invisible vibration removes every trace of residue. Across this surface, cleanliness now matches the polish beneath it. Beyond washing, warm air locks in the polish's final brilliance. Within minutes, this spoon reaches its full, finished brilliance. Across the line, dozens of spoons near completion, in constant rhythm.
Deep inside this hall, raw steel has become a polished, gleaming spoon. Here, this spoon receives the small mark that confirms its origin.
A permanent mark confirms this spoon's exact composition. Beneath this light, every surface faces one final visual review. Just ahead, a clear stamp confirms consistent quality across the batch. Across this line, spoons separate by size before final packaging.
Count confirmed, set complete.
Beneath every count, consistency defines a complete matching set.
Within this set, spoons join their matching forks and knives. Beyond the line, this spoon awaits its final verification.
Ahead, the finished spoon nears its final official inspection. Across this lab, every spoon converges toward one final review. Here, magnified detail now reveals what casual glance cannot. Now, precise measurement confirms this spoon meets durability standards. Beneath this screen, quality assessment happens with exacting precision.
Just ahead, corrosion resistance is tested well beyond years of use.
All criteria confirmed.
Across the lab, every criterion confirms this batch's true quality.
Within this certificate, a batch's quality becomes permanently documented.
Beneath every number, a permanent record protects every spoon sold.
Ahead, dozens of individually tested spoons now merge toward packaging.
Beyond this scanner, every batch's full history stays permanently recorded. Across this entire floor, machine and human judgment move as one. Here, careful presentation captures the spoon's true finished quality. Now, photographic detail becomes part of the spoon's product record.
Weight confirmed.
Beneath this check lies the exact consistency every buyer expects. Just ahead, individual spoons group together into a complete set. Within seconds, planning and precision align into a single number, the finish. 13. Across the floor, every case must match a carefully planned count. Beyond these doors, one final check confirms the case's true readiness. Now, even the final packaging must meet the same strict quality standard. Beneath this case, precision timing has shaped every finished spoon. Within this spoon, an entire manufacturing journey finally takes visible form.
Here, every finished batch faces one last documentation review.
Now this final match confirms the spoon and paper truly belong together. Beneath this camera, permanent proof protects every future customer.
Within this file, an entire journey from steel to spoon lives on.
Fully approved, released to shipping.
Beyond this signature, the batch is finally cleared for the world.
Inside this check, even the smallest disagreement would trigger review.
Beneath every checkmark, quality standards shape every spoon produced. Across these records, decades of consistency remain fully searchable in seconds. Beyond this threshold, approved spoons move toward their final presentation.
Now, each case nears the final step of its production journey.
Here, each case joins a growing pallet ready for shipment. Now, careful stacking ensures the shipment travels safely and securely. Just ahead, every label carries the full story of its origin. Beneath this small label lies the entire journey we just witnessed.
Within seconds, individual cases become part of a larger shipment.
Across this staging area, an entire day's production stands ready for travel. Beyond this room, careful organization ensures nothing is ever misplaced.
Last pallet, secure it.
Just ahead, these spoons begin their journey to stores nationwide.
And that's exactly how stainless steel spoons are made, from steel to shine.
Subscribe for more real factory breakdowns from around the world.